Wealth often gets a bad rap. We're conditioned to think it's superficial, even greedy. However, true wealth is about so much more than just money. It's about freedom, security, and opportunity. When you're financially secure, you're free from the constant stress of making ends meet. This freedom allows you to pursue your passions, explore new possibilities, and live life on your own terms. Wealth also provides security. It gives you a safety net, a buffer against life's unexpected challenges. This peace of mind is invaluable, allowing you to focus on personal growth and making a difference in the world. Ultimately, wealth is a tool. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. It's up to each of us to decide how we use this tool to create a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Our subconscious mind is a powerful force shaping our beliefs, habits, and ultimately, our reality. Dr. Joseph Murphy, in his book How to Attract Money, emphasizes the incredible role our subconscious plays in attracting wealth. Think of your subconscious as a garden. Your thoughts and beliefs are the seeds. If you plant seeds of lack and limitation, that's precisely what you'll harvest. However, if you sow seeds of abundance and prosperity, your life will flourish with wealth and opportunity. The key is to become aware of the negative, limiting beliefs you may be harboring about money. These beliefs act as weeds, choking out the seeds of prosperity. Once you identify these limiting beliefs, you can start to replace them with positive, empowering ones. Many of us have unconsciously absorbed limiting beliefs about money. These beliefs often stem from our upbringing, societal norms, or even the media we consume. They can be so deeply ingrained that we don't even realize they're there, subtly influencing our thoughts and actions. These beliefs, often rooted in societal conditioning or past experiences, can sabotage our efforts to attract wealth. For instance, if we grew up hearing phrases like, "money doesn't grow on trees," or "rich people are greedy," these ideas can create a mental barrier to financial success. One common myth is that money is the root of all evil. This phrase, often misquoted from religious texts, has led many to associate wealth with moral corruption. This belief creates a negative association with wealth, making it difficult to attract and keep. When we view money as inherently bad, we may unconsciously push it away or feel guilty for wanting more. In reality, money is simply a tool. It has no moral value on its own. It's neutral. It's how we use it that determines its impact. Money can be used to create positive change, support loved ones, and improve our quality of life. It's how we use it that determines its impact. When used wisely, money can be a force for good, enabling us to contribute to causes we care about and invest in our future. Another limiting belief is the idea that wealth is only for the lucky few. This belief fosters a sense of scarcity, making us feel that there's not enough to go around. This scarcity mindset keeps us trapped in a cycle of lack. When we believe that wealth is out of reach, we limit our potential and miss opportunities for growth. The truth is, abundance is our birthright. We live in a world of limitless possibilities, and we all have the potential to achieve financial prosperity. We are all capable of attracting wealth when we align our thoughts and beliefs with prosperity. By shifting our mindset from scarcity to abundance, we open ourselves up to new opportunities and possibilities. By identifying and challenging these limiting beliefs, we can start to reframe our relationship with money and open ourselves up to the flow of abundance. This process requires self-awareness and a willingness to change, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Reprogramming our subconscious mind for wealth requires conscious effort and consistent action. It's about shifting our mindset from scarcity to abundance and aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our financial goals. One powerful technique is visualization. Create a clear mental picture of yourself living a life of abundance. Imagine the feelings of joy, security, and freedom that come with financial prosperity. Another effective method is using affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your desired beliefs. Repeat affirmations related to wealth and abundance daily, with conviction and feeling. Gratitude is also essential for cultivating an abundance mindset. Focus on the good in your life, no matter how small. Appreciate the money you have and express gratitude for the opportunities that come your way. Section 5. Visualization painting your financial future. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires, including wealth. It's about creating a clear mental picture of your desired outcome as if it's already happening. Find a quiet space where you can relax and let your imagination soar. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life of your dreams. See yourself financially secure, debt-free, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Engage all your senses to make the visualization more vivid and impactful. Feel the joy of financial freedom, hear the sounds of success, and smell the sweet scent of abundance. The more you visualize your desired outcome, the more you impress it upon your subconscious mind. This, in turn, influences your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, moving you closer to your financial goals. Section 6. Affirmations, speaking wealth into existence. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated regularly, can help reprogram our subconscious mind and attract what we desire. They are not just empty words, they carry the power to transform our thoughts and beliefs. They are powerful tools for shifting our mindset from lack to abundance. By consistently focusing on positive affirmations, we can change our internal dialogue and start to see opportunities where we once saw obstacles. When it comes to attracting wealth, choose affirmations that resonate with you and reflect your financial goals. Personalizing your affirmations makes them more meaningful and effective. For example, you might affirm, "I am a money magnet," or "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly." "Abundance flows into my life effortlessly," or "I'm open to receiving all the wealth life offers me," or "I am worthy of wealth and prosperity." These affirmations should be stated in the present tense as if they are already true. The key to using affirmations effectively is to repeat them with conviction and feeling. The more emotion you put into your affirmations, the more powerful they become. It's not enough to simply say the words. You need to believe them at a deep level. This belief is what helps to rewire your subconscious mind. You need to believe them at a deep level. Visualize yourself living the life of abundance you desire as you say your affirmations. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and excitement as you repeat your affirmations. Consistency is also crucial. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Make it a habit to repeat your affirmations daily, ideally first thing in the morning and last thing at night. This helps to set a positive tone for your day and reinforces your goals before you sleep. The more you reinforce these positive beliefs, the more deeply ingrained they become in your subconscious mind. Over time, this can lead to a profound transformation in your financial reality. Section 7. Gratitude, cultivating an abundance mindset. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions we can experience. It has the ability to transform our outlook on life and shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. It's about appreciating the good in our lives, no matter how small, and recognizing the abundance that already surrounds us. When we take the time to notice and appreciate these moments, we begin to see that our lives are filled with blessings. When we focus on gratitude, we shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance. This shift in mindset can have profound effects on our mental and emotional well-being. We start to see the world as a place of infinite possibilities, where there's more than enough for everyone. This mindset encourages us to be more generous, compassionate, and open to new opportunities. Make it a daily practice to express gratitude for the money you have, the opportunities that come your way, and the people who support you. Keep a gratitude journal where you can jot down things you're thankful for each day. Write thank you notes to express your appreciation to others. This simple act can strengthen your relationships and spread positivity, or simply take a few moments each day to reflect on all the things you're grateful for. This can be done during meditation, while enjoying a cup of tea, or even during a quiet walk in nature. The more gratitude you cultivate, the more you attract things to be grateful for. It's like planting seeds of positivity that grow and multiply over time. It's a positive feedback loop that can lead to greater abundance in all areas of your life. By nurturing an abundance mindset, you open yourself up to a world of endless possibilities and opportunities. Section 8. The journey to wealth, a continuous pursuit of growth. Attracting wealth is not a destination, it's a journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your financial goals and consistently taking inspired action. Embrace the principles outlined by Dr. Joseph Murphy, experiment with different techniques, and find what works best for you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to attracting wealth. The most important thing is to stay committed to your financial goals and continue to cultivate a positive, abundant mindset.